welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a quick DIY organisation, home decor type video. So I just wanted to quickly redo my dining table up, do the centerpiece and everything. So I just felt like as though I needed a little bit of a change. It didn't match the rest of my decor. So I thought I'd bring you guys along to see what it looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. It really helps me out. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So just quickly before we jump to the video, if you've noticed that I'm sounding a bit off, it is because I am sick. I have a chest infection and an ear infection. Today is day 5 of the chest infection and ear infection, so I am feeling a lot better than what I did for the last 5 days. I haven't filmed all week, so this is the best I've felt so far. But you will notice in the video I will probably be blowing my nose quite a bit and everything, so I thought I'd just warn you guys that yes, I am sick. That's why I sound funny, that's why I may be grabbing tissues a lot. But yes, I hope you enjoy this video. So this is what I am working with. This is the before video. So I just wanted to make a quick note also that rather than buying a centerpiece, I wanted to use things that I had around the house already. So all of this is going to be a DIY. So I've just placed the old centerpiece on our outside dining table. It was just a container with some candles and pebbles in it. And I'm just placing 2 Lazy Susans on the table because the table's quite large. And I've just put our placemats on top of that. And for now, it's just got the fruit bowls on it. My husband eats a ton of fruit, so that is there for him. Okay, so I saved these jars and tins from our dinners for the last few weeks. And I decided I wanted to use some of the fake flowers that I had left over from our wedding. So I'm just having a play and seeing what looks decent and what works and what doesn't. So I decided not to go with the glass jar. I definitely wanted the tins instead. I also have run out of hot glue, so I'm just having to use some normal craft glue. So with one of them, I just used some twine and wrapped it around and then rearranged the flowers and made it look nice. And for the second one, I just grabbed a bit of this fabric that I had, and I used these for our wedding when I made some jams. And yeah, I have a whole pile left over, so I thought I would cover one of these tins so then it would look a bit different. So I'm just cutting it out on the tin. So now it's the perfect size. I'm just gluing it on the edges to help it stay in place. And again, I'm just using a little bit of twine just to complement it and make it match in with the other one. And then I'm just rearranging the flowers to make it look a bit nicer. And yeah, just have it all perfect. Last addition is I had this ceramic vase laying around, so I thought I would use that as well, so we have a little bit of a taller piece in the back. And this is the finished look without the fruit bowls. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change your notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!